Yo, what's going on, everyone? Quite a trade today. I'm sitting there. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing it live. I completely forgot to turn on the recording, and so that's why I'm recording after the entry was taken. I'm gonna go through it real quick. I'm just gonna tell you one thing that I didn't like about the trade is that it happened before before the macro, right? So before 1545. I mean, not before the macro, because macro is 1550, but before the ideal time for me to trade. So that's why the price action, I believe, is so slow as well. So yeah, my stops are pretty much moved to $92 on a loss right now, because I'm not really confident in this trade. As I said, it was before the macro. That's why I'm not really confident, and that's why it's not A plus setup. But yeah, let me just go through this position real quick, right? As we watch it go up or down, we'll see. But yeah, so before pre-market we swept the London lows, and when the market opened at 1530, we went down to the sell side liquidity. We swept it, and we made SMT with ES, because ES didn't sweep these lows, right? That's SMT, uh, and this was basically why this trade was a long, and following the entry. So we had this microstructure shift here, then come back to this 1 minute rally gap. That was our entry, Bosch, and we entered a long position. Stops were initially below this low, they are moved to this low now, and now they are moved to this low, as I wanted this trade to be sort of risk free due to the reason that I was pre-macro. Okay, let's see what's happening on here. So we just entered this 5 minute rally gap, and this 5 minute rally gap is not existing on oh yeah, it's actually here. So we have a big SMT again. That's the issue that we are having right now. Yeah, I wanna see us rip through that rally gap. If I am to see retracement, it's in the first 2 minutes of this 15 minute of this 5 minute candle, right? And what can we potentially retrace to? This rally gap or the 2 minute? Nah, no rally gaps in 2 minute really. Yeah, might get stopped out, boys. Might get stopped out. We're about to see. Hopefully not, because there's a big SMT. And I don't want to be closing right now, because that's like 60 is not ideal. Let's see what my boy texted me. Yeah, I'm not really liking the ES is again taking all the targets, and Nasdaq is pretty slow. But it is what it is. ES is ripping. When we take this high, I'm gonna be closing half of the position, boys. Again, not big profits. Unfortunately, boys. Unfortunately, not big profits. It's not really ideal. I'm not really liking it, boys. I'm not really liking it. Okay, we are ripping on ES, bro. I'm gonna move my stops to break even right now. ES is ripping, boys. ES is ripping. We got this rally up on ES. It's not really looking too good. I'd love to see the next 5-minute candle just be bullish on Nasdaq as well. Why is Nasdaq lagging, boys? I'm not really liking it. And I'm gonna be taking partials on 150. That's not really good, is it? Oh my days, boys. Yeah, I'm just gonna move my stops below this. I need 3 minutes of gaps. I need 2-minute gaps. Nah. 5-minute, nah. Okay, let's get the 5-minute candle to be extra bullish. And let's see how ES reacts off of this. Because that's technically a 15-minute high. Okay, we just took it on ES. I'm closing.
Order filled.
Okay, boys, and I'm gonna hold the rest. I'm up. 120, let's go. That's fucking nothing on the combine as well. That's not really good, boys. You're probably gonna have S&T. Oh my days. Okay, boys, I'm taking out the full position right now.
Order filled.
Oh, that was not really good. 400 on the day. Oh. Okay, we'll see if I get another setup, because I was hoping to get 1K today, boys. Let's see if I get shorts now. Or continuation, perchance, I don't know. This is pretty bullish, but I'm just not gonna hold. Just not gonna hold, boys. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll look at the trade at the charts for 10 minutes more, and then we see if I get someone. This is. It's pretty much London accumulation, then pre-market distribution, pre-market manipulation, and then distribution on the pre-market as well. Then this is like after a sweep, and hopefully, well, if I'm looking to take a trade right now, I'll need to see a. Okay, this is extra bullish, boys. Okay, do you know what I should have done? I should have held everything up until ES takes this high, and then I should have closed everything up there, and that would be like 100 more in profit right now. Okay, let's see if we get any shorts. The only thing I'm not liking is that we just inverse this 5-minute. So yeah, let me just move this these draws on liquidity. Man, Nasdaq was not really good today. See how the 50-minute closes, the 4-hourly as well, and then I decide whether we get, I don't know, a fucking Drake candle to the downside now or what's gonna happen. But if we close like that, I'm not taking any more trades. I'm not risking, boys. I've already lost a lot on Tuesday and Wednesday due to Powell, which I should have not been trading on those days, and I'm never gonna trade on those days ever again. Next week, from what I've seen, we have really good price action coming in. As in, I don't know how the price action is gonna be, if we're gonna have any wars coming out or whatever, but there's no like news. There's no major news that's gonna disrupt the market. I could have held this, of course, boys. I could have held this a bit more to get to this, because obviously we are in a bullish market, so we might just rip. But I'm just not willing to take the risk, boys. So as you can see, my entry was first on this Ferrari gap, and then 2 contracts more on while I move my stop loss. But this trade was pretty good, but this could have been also macro manipulation, and now we'll see what happens, right? Because we might get a reversal, because we got big S&T. S&T right here. Okay, internal sweep per chance. Yeah, if we close above this, boys, then I'm not taking more trades. Oh yeah, we're just gonna rip. Whew. I'm just gonna take our targets. Anyway. Yeah, we probably are. I could have held, as I said, boys. Could have held. But it is what it is. Dave. Wow. God damn, boys. I could have made 700. Damn, boys. Could have made 700, made 3672. I mean, it's a step closer, of course, but it's not ideal, boys. It's not ideal. Let's see if the market reacts off of this right now. Well, E has already closed, like way above that, right? Yeah. We're probably gonna take off the S&T that we made pre-market as well when we took out these highs on the daily chart. I'm not gonna switch to the daily right now because I can't be bothered to. You might be taking some more orders, boys. You might be chasing the 5-minute gap to grab some more orders. So continuation model might be in use today as well. Let's see. So what I'll be looking for is this gap, right? Let's see if we do anything with this 1-minute gap. Because if we do that, I'm taking this off. I'm just slugging off. Just gonna go to the beach and enjoy my day, boys. I'm moving tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah, I'm traveling tomorrow, boys, to Poland, and then on Monday I'm gonna be trading from most likely a restaurant. So I'm probably gonna make a video from there as well, and then we will get a nice video in my own house on Tuesday. And I got one PC coming on Wednesday, I think, or something like that. So we'll see what happens, right? Yeah, how is he looking like? yeah, boys, tomorrow another video is coming out because I forgot to upload yesterday. So tomorrow is gonna be a recap of Thursday, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. GG's, boys. Good have held. They were very bullish. We might even go to all-time highs. How many percent is that? Yeah. Yeah, we might go to all-time highs, boys. Oh, this might be the day. Okay, yeah, boys. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you next week.